What are your New Year's resolutions? Let's get started. I would like to save 20% of my income each month. I will set up automatic transfers to my savings account and treat them as a fixed expense, just like paying rent or bills. I will review my spending weekly, reduce unnecessary purchases, and use a budgeting app to stay accountable. Start a fitness habit. I will block 3 workouts each week on my calendar and treat them as non-negotiable appointments, just like meetings or deadlines. I will use a fitness app to log workouts, monitor progress, and review weekly summaries to stay motivated. Learn a new skill outside my job. I will enroll in an online course, set aside a fixed weekly time, and complete the lessons without postponement. I will find opportunities to use the skill in everyday contexts, whether through small projects, volunteering, or sharing with peers.
What are my New Year's resolutions? I would like to travel to one new country. I will explore affordable destinations, compare options, and choose a place that excites me culturally and personally. I will set a clear budget, track expenses, and commit to saving regularly to make the trip achievable. Volunteer regularly. I will volunteer at least once a quarter, treating it as a scheduled responsibility rather than a casual activity. I will keep a journal of my experiences, noting what I learned, how I felt, and the impact I observed. Improve time management. I will use planners or digital tools to map out tasks, deadlines, and recurring commitments, reviewing them daily and weekly. I will experiment with proven methods, such as time blocking or batching similar tasks, to maximize efficiency.
What are my New Year's resolutions? I would like to develop a personal brand. I will refresh my personal profile across platforms, ensuring it reflects my values, skills, and goals. I will post relevant content weekly, mixing original insights, curated resources, and personal reflections to build credibility. I will explore new formats, such as short videos, blogs, or podcasts to diversify my reach. Establish healthy sleep habits. I will keep my bedroom cool, dark, and quiet, and limit screen use before bedtime. I will avoid caffeine, heavy meals, and alcohol close to bedtime to support deeper sleep. I will go to bed and wake up at consistent times, even on weekends, to train my body's clock. Build credit responsibly. I will pay credit card bills in full each month, to avoid interest charges and late fees. I will enable payment reminders and fraud alerts, to protect my credit health. I will check my credit score and credit report at least quarterly, to stay aware of changes.
What are my New Year's resolutions? I would like to expand professional network. I will attend industry events, conferences, and webinars regularly, treating them as opportunities to learn and connect. I will provide guidance to peers or juniors, while also reaching out to mentors, who can support my growth. Invest in personal development. I will read books on leadership, communication, and emotional intelligence, summarizing insights and translating them into action steps. I will join professional communities or discussion groups to exchange ideas and broaden perspectives. Plan for homeownership. I will research government or employer programs that support first-time buyers. I will compare mortgage options, interest rates, and repayment terms across multiple lenders to find the best fit. I will create a dedicated savings plan for the down payment, setting monthly targets and automating contributions.
What are my New Year's resolutions? I would like to practice mindful spending. I will evaluate each purchase carefully, asking whether it aligns with my needs and values. I will establish monthly spending limits for categories, like dining, shopping, and entertainment, and track them consistently. I will invest more in meaningful experiences, such as travel, learning, or time with loved ones, rather than accumulating material goods. Practice digital detox. I will set daily screen-free intervals, such as during meals, or the first hour after waking, to reset my focus. I will plan regular in-person interactions with friends, family, or community groups, to strengthen relationships beyond digital spaces. I will dedicate time to activities, like reading, cooking, exercising, or creative projects that don't involve screens. Focus on mental health. I will use techniques, such as mindfulness, deep breathing, journaling, or meditation, to manage stress consistently. I will maintain regular sleep, balanced nutrition, and physical activity, to support emotional well-being. I will reduce exposure to toxic environments, excessive news, or social media that heighten stress.
What are my New Year's resolutions? I would like to improve cooking skills. I will try new recipes and cooking techniques at least once a month, exploring different cuisines and styles. I will refine core skills, such as knife handling, seasoning, and timing, by cooking multiple times each week. I will watch tutorials, attend cooking classes, or follow chefs online to gain professional tips. Develop parenting skills. I will read parenting books, articles, and trusted resources, and attend classes or workshops to gain new insights. I will spend quality time with my child, through play, conversations, and shared activities to strengthen our bond. I will demonstrate values, such as kindness, responsibility, and respect, knowing children learn most from example. Set long-term financial goals. I will establish clear retirement savings targets, contribute regularly to retirement accounts, and explore diversified investment options. I will maintain an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses without disrupting long-term savings.
What are my New Year's resolutions? I would like to give back to the community. I will commit to regular volunteering with local organizations, treating it as a meaningful responsibility. I will contribute time, skills, or resources to community projects that strengthen social bonds and address local needs. I will guide younger individuals by sharing knowledge, offering encouragement, and helping them build confidence in their goals. Improve home environment. I will sort through belongings each season, donating or recycling items I no longer use. I will maintain good air quality by cleaning regularly, adding plants, and ensuring proper ventilation. Explore new hobbies. I will explore different hobbies, while also choosing one or two to pursue more deeply. I will participate in online groups to learn from others and share experiences. I will follow creators or attend exhibitions to spark new ideas and techniques.
What are my New Year's resolutions? I would like to practice sustainable living. I will replace disposable items with reusable alternatives, such as bottles, bags, and containers. I will compost food waste and recycle consistently, ensuring materials are sorted properly to protect the environment. I will support eco-friendly brands and prioritize items made from recycled or renewable materials. Prioritize self-care. I will maintain balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep as part of my routine. I will dedicate time to hobbies, creative outlets, and social connections that bring me happiness. I will manage workload, limit overcommitment, and protect personal time to prevent burnout. Reconnect with old friends. I will contact at least one old friend each month, by phone, message, or video call to rekindle bonds. I will organize annual gatherings or reunions, to strengthen relationships, and create shared memories. I will listen actively, offer support, and revisit shared experiences to deepen conversations. Setting New Year's resolutions offers powerful benefits that can positively transform your life. They provide clear direction and focus, helping you prioritize what truly matters and make consistent progress.